Miko, happy? Sigel. Sigel. Hello everybody. Oo, I'm here. I'm here. I'm very happy. I'm here in Manuel Oy. I'm here in Manuel Oy. Manuel Oy Beach. Calatagan, Batangas. Ayan, sled, ituro mo yun. Ituro mo yun. Yun. Oo. Yun ang Stilts Calatagan. Yan ang Stilts Calatagan. Hindi na niya kailangan ng salbabida eh. Mababaw kasi eh. Kaya pwede lang silang mag-swimming.
Naging kuya,